all weekend. It's been 3 days in the making of this. What I'm standing in front of, honestly couldn't be possible without all the homies. Y'all know who you are. Also without any of you guys, because literally, like, I've gotten so much motivation to kind of tackle these projects and be able to do it and film it and all that kind of stuff. And I don't think I would have done it without YouTube, without my friends, obviously. Shit, I couldn't even do this by myself. Pretty crazy what this car has turned into. I envisioned it in my head a long time ago, and I kind of just thought it was time to pull the trigger. There's probably a few clips before this. It's probably pretty short, so ignore that. I got really caught off guard. Go with the reveal video. I'm super excited to show you guys. So here it is. It gets me every time looking at it. But so this car is now wrapped, and I know what many of you guys are gonna say. Oh, it's white, it's white. It looks white. Yes, it looks white in most lighting situations, but it's actually chalk. This is Porsche chalk. This is what I had actually envisioned for this car. I wanted it to be a light color in the beginning. So they call this vinyl. So it's Avery. The brand is Avery. This is Avery Gloss Gray, just gloss gray. And many pictures online make it look Nardo, but really it's not. It's just this light chalk color. I'm sure many of you guys are familiar with Porsche chalk. It's awesome. But yeah, we're just waiting on a few things now, like the front lip. I did the roof black, put the skirts back on and everything like that. I also got this new carbon diffuser, so that's awesome. Looks really good. And yeah, so I mean, really, it's been a project so far, and I'm really happy with how it came out for being a DIY. I had everyone here. We were all working together, getting this stuff done. We were all tired, we were all lazy. And honestly, like, if you guys want to have your car changed up, I say go for it. I mean, anyone can really DIY this. It's not too bad. You just gotta get familiar with hands-on, because YouTube videos only take you so far with how to do it. That's what I learned, at least. So yeah, I think the hardest part about these cars is these front bumpers. So it may look like it's one piece, but really it's not. So we have 3 inlays on each side. So there's one here on the Fang, we have one here, and one there. So yeah, it's just a process. It takes a long time.